Hey guys, Dr. John from BMO. We're continuing our insertion instruction videos for you guys with your post-mortem reconstruction. We've been talking about our upper extremities. This is our full UEP, our upper extremity prosthetic. And one of the things that we have done for you is we provided a proximal upper extremity and a distal upper extremity prosthetic, our PUEP and our DUEP when you're ordering them. We've done this because people sometimes just want to recover the forearm, sometimes just the brachium, the humerus, and especially the brachium or the humerus. A lot of funeral home requirements or short sleeve shirts, etc. You guys often only recover this humerus in the upper extremities. So let's just talk about this. Let's talk about our proximal upper extremity prosthetic. It comes in this nice little pack. It has insertion instructions as all of our prosthetics do, and it has your accessory kit. Here's your accessory kit. It should have in it. It should have 4 sets of balls and stems, and then 2 retention pins. Once again, the construction of it has our patented single pin retention system and central dowel technology, and then it also has some markings. You may be able to see right here on the video some arrows in case this central dowel falls out, so that you know how to put it back in. When you get this, what I want you to do is I want you to put in a humeral head replacement on the appropriate side, and then I want you to put in a distal ball as well. This is going to go into what was previously your olecranon fossa. This will articulate with your olecranon, and then so you set this inside your donor, put this in your glenoid fossa, extend this down into your olecranon fossa, and then put in a single pin. And that's it. Now you've got a great upper extremity prosthetic. Even if you only have an incision midway down through the brachium, this can slide down, sit where it needs to sit, provide some stability, support, and excellent reconstruction, and still have that movement, the mobility, the articulation that you guys want and the funeral homes want as well. I appreciate you guys' help. I appreciate your support. Leave some comments below. Send us an email. Give us a call. We appreciate all your feedback. Thanks, guys.